When it comes to spreadsheets in 2025, the debate between Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel is still going strong. Google Sheets is cloud-based, which means you can access your files from anywhere, collaborate in real time with teammates, and never worry about losing your work. It's perfect for remote teams, students, and small businesses who need seamless sharing and live updates. On the other hand, Excel is a powerhouse for heavy data analysis, with advanced features like Power Query, macros, and robust charting options that professionals rely on for complex tasks. Both tools now support similar formulas and functions, but Google Sheets shines with its simplicity and integrations with other Google Workspace apps, making it easy to automate tasks using Google Forms, Google Docs, and even Google Calendar. Excel, however, still leads in performance for very large datasets and offers more advanced tools for financial modeling, pivot tables, and professional reporting. In 2025, the choice really depends on your needs. If you prioritize collaboration, accessibility, and ease of use, Google Sheets is ideal. If you need deep data analysis, advanced customization, and high-performance features, Excel remains the top choice. Ultimately, knowing both tools gives you flexibility and makes you more productive, whether you're working solo or with a team. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and insights on productivity tools.